how to see messages on Snapchat without being friends. So if you want to see messages on Snapchat without being friends, then what you can do is first open up your Snapchat application. And once you've opened your Snapchat, now you can simply go for the contacts or the add friends option, which will be on the upper right. And here, let me tell you one thing, that you can't see the messages on Snapchat without being friends with them, but there is a way. So for example, if I'm choosing a person, a random person, so for example, I'll be choosing this person. So once you've chosen the person, now what you can do is simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on that, and here you will have send profile to option. Tap on send profile to, and from here you can add a chat. So for example, I'll be choosing, or I'll be typing hello, and once you type on hello, you can simply send that to your recent search. And once you've sent, you can simply open that chat, and here you can see that the typed message has been sent over. So this is how you can simply send a message or send a text or a photo or an image without adding the person. So they might do the same thing as well. You can simply go back and check to that chat, and you can simply chat with that person or message that person without being friends. So that's it. That's how you can see messages on Snapchat without being friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.